2023. Hey you guys, happy New Year's. I'm super excited for this new year. I'm super excited for you guys to grow as business owners and entrepreneurs. Let's get into today's video. As a small business owner, you must always remember that success only comes to those who plan for it. Having a business plan is going to reduce the probability of your small business failing. We don't want that. There are so many people who are starting online businesses and their businesses are failing. This is where having a business plan is going to come into play, you guys. It is a must when you have an online business. When you're writing a plan for your business, it's not supposed to feel like homework. Like, it's not supposed to feel like something that you dread. This is something that you actually want to do. So you want to think of this business plan as an investment into your business. It is scientifically proven that planning will increase your chances for growth and success. Okay, sis, but do I really need a business plan? Like, what are the reasons? What is it going to do for me? Okay, so number one, having a business plan is going to help you reduce your risk. So having a business plan is going to help you figure out if what you are looking to sell is going to be valuable and if it will fit the market. So the second thing having a business plan is going to do is going to help you attract investors and get funding for your business. And I mean free funding. So if you're starting a business and you need funding, a business plan is absolutely crucial. A grant is literally free money that nonprofit organizations give to small businesses. We don't have to pay it back as long as we're using it for business purposes. So the third thing a business plan is going to do for you is it's going to determine your financial needs. So without having a business plan, it's kind of impossible for you to know how much money you're going to have to bring in as an income to start your business and also to keep your business running. And the fourth and the last thing that having a business plan is going to do for you is it's going to help you understand your market. So it doesn't matter what type of product or service you sell, you have to know who you're marketing your products to, because if you do not, you will not sell. Like, it doesn't matter how amazing your product is. If you don't know how to market and you don't know who to target, then you are not going to make sales. It's like, how will you sell products if you don't know who is going to be buying them? So as you guys can see by this video, having a business plan is super important and you cannot skip it. So that's why I decided to create this video. And also, not only that, I created this video, I'm attaching a free business template for you guys, literally free. You just click the link below, you put in your email, and you will be emailed a free business plan, absolutely free. And all you have to do is fill out all of the sections and boom, you have a business plan. No homework, no grading. It's not hard. Do it. So that was strictly the purpose of this video. I want you guys to have a business plan. I need you guys to have a business plan. I cannot come on here trying to teach you guys business and I'm not encouraging you guys to have a business plan. You absolutely need it. There are so many people who are giving up on owning and having online businesses because they just have no direction. And this is what happens when you don't have a business plan. So do not skip this step. If you are trying to start a business, do not skip this step. You absolutely must have a business plan. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, definitely subscribe and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace and much love. Bye guys.